Hi everyone. So I am here to show you how to cost a recipe for different servings or yield. So before we start, let's make sure that all our unit must be the same in order to move forward for our conversion. And also, all the weight equivalency beside our item or the ingredients must be included in our calculation. So let's start off with the first recipe. So I have here, I'm gonna cost for one. So here's the portion size, the price, and then the size of the items. So let's start with the first item, which is the arrowroot cookie. So I have two packs here. Three packs. And then in one, we don't need to convert nothing because it's already given our weight equivalency. So there's two crackers in one pack, and let's just copy the price of $36.59 per 300 crackers, and that gives us 73 cents. So let's pop this one in our Excel. So we in Excel we basically copying whatever we write in our calculation and pop them in our Excel. So sometimes Excel doesn't give us the right answer, so let's make sure that we did our calculation first before popping in them in our Excel. So that gives us 73 cents. So for the next item, the chicken soup base, so I have 6 tablespoons here, 6 tablespoons. So in one cup, there's 16 tablespoons, and we're using the weight equivalency here, so 1.5 pounds per 2 cups. So we need to go to pounds, so we have to convert to pounds. So if you see this number, that means we have to multiply. So 4 multiplied by 3, that gives us 12 pounds. So let's just copy the price, $18.06, and then 12 pounds. And after computing and canceling all the units, that gives us 42 cents. 42 cents. And let's pop it in our Excel. So 6 divided by 16 multiplied by 1.5 divided by 2 cups, close bracket, multiplied by the price of $18.06 divided by 12 pounds. And that gives us 42 cents as well. So for our next item, the fruit cocktail, so I have 180 here, 180 ml. So we have to go to ounces. So in order to do that, we have to convert. So we're gonna use the weight equivalency first. So there's 235 grams in 200 ml. And to go to ounce, we have to convert further. So in 1 ounce, there's 30 grams. By the way, we're using hard conversions in this recipe costing. So just copy the price of $25.32. So 600 multiplied by 100, that gives us 600 ounces. So just show you how to get that, and that gives us 600. And after calculating all of the conversion at the above, that gives us 30 cents for our for the cost of our fruit cocktail. So let's just pop it in our Excel. So 180 multiplied by 235 divided by 200 divided by 30 grams, close bracket, and then the price of $25.32 divided by 600, close bracket, that gives us 30 cents as well. So for the next item, we have orange pepper. So here we have to go to kilograms. So in order to do that, we have to convert 11 peppers. So we're using the weight equivalency there. So in 1 pound, there's 4 peppers, and in moving forward to go through kilograms. So we have to get into kilograms here so they can have the same unit. So there's 500 grams in 1 pound, and in 1 kilograms, there's 1,000 grams. This is all based in our conversion unit in our past class. So we'll just copy the price of $10.99 per 1 kilograms, and that gives us $15.11. So let's plug in our Excel. So 11 peppers divided by 4 multiplied by 500 divided by 1,000 grams, then multiplied by the price of $10.99 divided by, sorry, just skip it that way because if you divide it by 1 doesn't make any changes anyway. So that gives us $15.11 as well. So for the next item, the eggs. So here we have dozen. Here we have each or like pieces or egg. It's the same thing. So in order to do that, so let's pop the 5 here and then copy the price of $11.66 per 3.5 dozen. So in order we have to convert dozen into pieces or eggs, number of eggs, individual number of eggs. So in order to do that, 3.5 multiplied by 12. So we all know that in 1 dozen there's 12 pieces. So this is where I get the 12. So that gives us 42 eggs. And I'll just plop it in here. And after calculating all of it, that gives us $1.39 for the cost of egg. So let's just put it in our Excel. So 5 multiplied by the price divided by 42, close bracket, that gives us $1.39 as well. Okay, next we have the second recipe that yields 30 servings. So same thing, what we're gonna do for the same as the first recipe. So there's 3 cups here, and there's 250 ml in 1 cup, and we're gonna use the weight equivalency of 225 grams per 180 ml, and we have to go to pounds, so we have to go further. So in 1 pound there's 500 grams, and in for the price, just copy $14.27 per 10 pounds. So after calculating that, that gives us $2.68. So let's just plug it in our Excel. So 3 multiplied by 250 multiplied by 1.8, multiplied by 225 divided by 180 ml divided by 500 grams, close bracket, multiplied by the price of $14.27 divided by 10 pounds, close bracket, and that gives us $2.68. So for the next recipe, the ingredients, the Lima beans. So we have 6 cups here, and in 1 cup there's 250 ml, and we have to go to kilograms. So we have to use the 1.8 kilograms per liter, but here we have ml here, so we have to convert the liter into ml or milliliter. So there's, as we all know, there's 1,000 ml in 1 liter. So just pop it in there and just copy the price of $29.80 per. Again, if you see this number, this indicates 4 multiplied by 2.2, that gives us 8.8 kilograms, and then after calculating all of them, that gives us $9.14. And if we put it in our Excel, so 6 cups multiplied by 250 multiplied by 1.8 kilograms divided by 1,000 grams, close bracket, and then the price of $39.80. $39.80 divided by 8.8 kilograms, close bracket, that gives us $9.14. So for the next recipe, ingredient, dried thyme. So I have 5 tablespoons here. So in 1 cup there's 16 tablespoons, and we have to go to grams. So let's convert more. So there's in 1 ounce there's 30 grams, and there's 30 grams. In 1 ounce there's point 1.8 in 1.8 ounce, as we see in our weight equivalency, there's 0.5 cups. So we have to convert more. So in 1 ounce in 1 ounce there's 30 grams, and let's copy the price of $15.30 per 400 grams, and that gives us $1.29 for our dry time. And then let's just plop it in our Excel. So 5 divided by 16 multiplied by 1.8 divided by 0.5 cup multiplied by 30 grams, close bracket, and multiplied by the price of $15.30 divided by 400 the price per 400 grams, close bracket, and that gives us $1.29 as well. So for the next recipe, we have here the clove garlic. So there's 3 cloves, and we have to go to pounds. So as we all know, there's 80 grams, as the weight equivalency says. In 80 grams, there's 12 cloves, so we have to go convert further. So there, in 1 pound, there's 500 grams, and just copy the price of $25.24 per 5 pounds, and that gives us 20 cents per hour cost of cloves garlic. And then let's do our Excel. So 3 cloves multiplied by 80 divided by 12 divided by 500 grams, close bracket, and multiplied by the price of $25.24 divided by 5 pounds, close bracket, and then that gives us 20 cents as well. So for the last ingredients, we have vegetable broth. So I have 200 fluid ounces here, and in order to, we have to go to ml. So there's 30 ml in 1 fluid ounces, and then let's just copy the price of $3.29 per 800 ml, and that gives us $24.68. So let's plop it in there. So 200 fluid ounces multiplied by 30, close bracket, and then the price of $3.29 divided by 800 ml, close bracket, that gives us $24.68 as well. So in order to get the food total cost of the ingredients, we just have to auto sum all of this, all the cost of the ingredients, and just press auto sum. That gives us $37.99. It's the same as our conversion here. Calculation for the total cost of the ingredients. And then to get the percent weight, to get the cost of weighs, we have to multiply the total cost of the ingredients multiplied by 0.08, because it's 8%. 100 divided by 8, that gives us 0.08, in a close bracket, that gives us $3.04 for the cost of 8% waste. So to get the total cost, just add them up. So I'll just sum this, auto sum again, the total cost and then the cost of waste, and that gives us $41.03. So to get the new selling price, so the total cost multiplied by 100 divided by 40, because 40% is the new selling price, and that gives us $102.56. So comparing to our calculation, this is wrong. So we have to use the round out feature of the Excel. So round up. Yep. And the round out feature, and then just press enter. And now they're the same. So that's how you cost. Thank you.